Continuing on with dimensioning, I want to show you a few more tricks which will really improve and increase your workflow with Revit. Let's go and have a look at this little section over here that we've been working on. WA for wall. What I can do now is draw in a few more walls into this. Now what I want to do is I want to get all these walls, I'm going to move that in here, I want to get all these walls to be spaced equally. I might make one more through here just for fun. And I want them all to be equally spaced, so I'm just dragging them all along. I can do the DI for dimension, and now I'm going to drop down and say wall center lines. I'm going to click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm just continuously clicking so it's all in one line, and then I'm going to click on empty space, and that is going to end my dimension. And now see, I've got this EQ in here. I can click on that EQ. That's automatically going to create a relationship which is an equidistant relationship. So I'm going to hit escape to get out of this. And have a look at this. If I move this wall, that relationship remains the same because it's got what's called an equidistant constraint on the wall. So I can move that, and that's all equidistant. Now have a look at this. Even if I delete the dimension, it's going to come up with a little warning down the bottom, and it says, a dimension that has an EQ constraint has been deleted, but the element will still be constrained. I'm going to say OK to that. What that's saying is, even though we've deleted the dimension, we're still maintaining that relationship, and that relationship will remain there until I click on the and then unselect the EQ, and then that EQ will go. A question that I sometimes get asked is, what about if someone wants to see the dimension, not just the EQ? So have a look at this. I'm going to just go through here, set them up to be EQ, so they're all equal, and we're not seeing the actual distance in through here. So I can do this again. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're seeing the distance. I can then delete this one. But I can say OK, so that's maintaining the equal distance relationship, but this dimension is showing us the actual numbers.